Are you considering building a 3-bedroom house in Kenya? You're not alone. 3-bedroom houses have become increasingly popular among homeowners in Kenya, offering spacious accommodations for medium-sized families. However, many people are unsure about the plans and costs associated with constructing such houses. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore different 3-bedroom house plans, estimated costs, and factors to consider when building in urban and rural areas. Popular 3-bedroom house plans, 3-bedroom homes, are highly sought after in Kenya due to their versatility and functionality. They can be customized to suit various lifestyles and preferences. Let's take a look at some popular 3-bedroom house plans. One simple 3-bedroom house. A simple 3-bedroom house is an excellent choice for a rural setup. While the design may appear straightforward, creating an aesthetically pleasing and functional layout can be challenging. However, with careful planning and inspiration from existing designs, you can achieve your dream home.
Hello guys, welcome back to Garitech Interior Design. So here you have this amazing project. It's a 3-bedroom house with a kitchen, a dining room, and a sitting room. So sorry today, my microphone got broken, so you will allow me just you'll hear that echo sound. So sorry for that. So let me bring you this tour and then see how, even though the house is not yet complete, but we have done only interior work, the electrical work, the painting was almost ending, but there was some modification that you put. Like here, this modification, you had to put the owner of the house. It suggested that we put there, so that's why you see the house, the paint is just like that, is dirty. So but after we have done this, we have completed the electrical work. God willing, tomorrow the paint work will start. So I'm doing this video, but it's night, so you can't see the outside of the house, but when they finish, I will show you how is it. So as you can see, that is our balcony. So this is our veranda, and that is our compound. So this is our amazing, these are molding work we have done. So let me take you inside and then see. So after you close the door, you'll find here that these are 2 gun switch. So they are controlling this this wall bracket. As you can see, it's look just smart, like just see, it's looking wow. So there are 4. So as you enter, you will see this, the first one is here, and then the second one that's almost at the end there, and then the 2 others are on the short corridor for the kitchen. And then here you have also this amazing pendant, 4 hanging rose pendant, that is it's changing its color. As you can see, that is our white, that is our white, so that is white. So that one is the one that operating here. So let me take you to this sitting room. So this sitting room, as you can see, we have installed here, there are 3 wall brackets. The first one is there, the second, and the third one, it is there. We have already completed the electrical installation. So here we have this beautiful chandelier. As you can see, it's changing its color. Let me have the remote. So as you can see, You can put it off. You can change the color. As you can see, it's changing its color. And then also, have you seen? It's looking wow. So you can decide to put off the small, and then you put here, you put there. So it has a Bluetooth. Is started. Please connect. You can connect with your Bluetooth with your sound, and then if you are a fan for music, you can hear. So this aside of it, we have this a fan. Already it's working, as you can see. It's I think it's called U-Right. It's a new model that has come. So as you can see, this is our snake light, and then that small thing black, that is the control for it. As you press the remote, you will see it's changing its color. As you can see, that is changing. So here we have done already. We have put these downlights. As you can see, they even change colors. Okay, as you can see, they even change colors. That is white. Okay, so let me take you. Okay, I've forgotten. This is our TV socket, and then our antenna, outlet antenna, and then down there we have this socket also. And then here, even we provided the provision for the air condition. These are air condition. The settings, they are there at the top, and then always we provide a socket at the side it. So as I told you earlier, we had some modification. So the owner, like this, we did this modification at this entrance for the dining room. As you can see, we have already done it. So let me take you to this dining room. We have placed there a two wall bracket. The first one is there, and then the second one is there. So here is our serving window from the kitchen, and then we have provided here is a double socket. Maybe they can put here fridge, whichever way. And then also we have a fan there, and then a full moon. So this full moon, it also changes its colors. Yes. And then even this wall bracket, as you can see, this warm, and then that is blue. So you can change it. Okay, sorry. You can change it. As you can see, that is warm. Then even there is warm, and then that is bluish, and this is warm with white. So let me take you to the other bedrooms and the kitchen. So this is our long corridor that enters as you come from the main door. Here we have these two hanging rose pendant. The first one is here, as you can see, and then the other one, it's at the end. So I told you on this corridor, we have a four bracket. The other one I show you, and then this is the other one. It's here, and then the other one, it's there. So here it's our beautiful master bedroom. Okay, besides that, as you came from that door, you can come and switch off these lights from here. As you can see, it will be switched off. I will show you the other one. As you come from the main door, as you enter for the kitchen, you can put it off there. So this is our master bedroom. So you can see we have put there a 3-wall bracket. The first one is there, as you can see. The first one, the second one is there, and then the third one is there. As you can see, it has some beautiful reflection. As you can see, it's looking good. So besides that, we have placed here this for our AC air conditioner, and this is our strapper. As you came from that door, when you are coming to sleep, you can switch it off here or switch it on here. Beside, no need for you to wake up and then you go and switch it off there. So we have placed here our beautiful chandelier. As you can see, it's changing its color. It's looking amazing, guys. For interior design, just call us and then we'll deliver. Okay, as you can see, this is how it's changing its color. I don't have that remote, but I could show you the other features that it have. So and then it has some snake light at the end. As you can see, it's changing its color. And then even as you can see, there was also some downlights at the end of it. Already installed a fan. As you can see here, there we have installed that fan. So okay, this is our toilet. This is our toilet. They have not finished the plumbing work, as you can see. So this is our point, and then down there we'll put there tiles. So the project is not yet complete. It's on the somewhere. So this partition is for wardrobe. They'll place here a wardrobe, turn from there, and then it's not that much big. The owner suggests that. So let me take you to the other bedrooms. So as you can see, another modification here we have already done for the molding. This is the molding work already done, and then these are a short corridor for this public toilet, and then the first master bedroom for the second master bedroom. So this is our public toilet. As you can see, it's just waiting for plumbing and how do you call it, plumbing work and the tiles. So and then I didn't show you these features. This lock, already have installed these locks. As you can see, I think it's a two lever first, and then the second one. So it provides you a maximum. So it has this two lever. So for total assurance for your safety. So as you can see, that's first one, and then the second one. Then you open the door. As you can see, it's already fit. It has some, how many keys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has some 5 keys. So in case even if it is lost, you can also have a replacement. But I see, I will call that Fundi. He didn't finish this door. So sorry guys. But at the end of the day, we will complete it. This is our light, guys. So we have experiencing a low voltage at this area. In this area of our project. So some lights are doing good, and then the others are not doing good. As you can see, this is the room, the second bedroom. Already installed the light. This is our fan, and then this is our light control. This is our socket. As always, we put 2 sockets in each room. This is our strapping. And then the socket down there. So let me take you to the third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom. As you can see, this light is not doing. You see, the problem is for the low voltage, so it can't reflect that good. So sorry guys. So here we have this fan. I think tomorrow I'll go and then exchange for the light that can cooperate with a low voltage. As you can see, there is socket there, and then at the back there we have some those things you see. These are socket, and then a strapping. So let me take you to the. Okay, I show you. I tell you earlier. This is the other strapping. As you came from the main entrance, and then you want to enter in the kitchen, you can put it off this wall bracket, and then you can remain with also with only these two beautiful hanging rods, and then even you can put it on here. So here is our consumer control unit. Already we have installed the circuit breakers. So welcome to this amazing kitchen. As you can see, the only remaining thing is just wardrobe, and then I think already high level we have done, and then plumbing work is almost. I told you the work is still going on, so they have remained to install the tap and then the waste pipe. So this is our kitchen. Okay, the how do you call it? The wardrobes they will come and then they will place there a low level, a high level, and then the low level they will come and close this all this these cabinets with the wooden. We call it there's a name there. So they will finish. The house is not yet complete. So this is our socket for fridge, and then this is our socket for the worktop. We done 3, 2, so that you have enough spacing. This is space for our cooker. This is our cooker socket, and then cooker connector. So, and then this is our serving window, guys. So this is our kitchen, our kitchen store. As you can see, this is our kitchen store. So, and then here, this is our outside, the veranda for the outside, as you came from the kitchen. So, guys, if you have watched up to that, I will just say thank you. So, guys, if you have watched up to there, I will urge you just consider subscribing. For click the subscribe button and then click that ring, the bell, that notification bell, so that when I post this content like this, you can be the first one to see and then you watch. So thank you, guys, for your support. I see the channel is almost it's improving, so it's your own support that I'm always appreciating. So thank you. Let's meet on the next video.